Hi everyone, this is KT. Today video is about the weekly trades that has been placed for the month of May, from 12th of May 2025 to 16th of May 2025. So let's take a look at the trades that are being placed and what are the intention and the strategy for doing so. So on the 12th of May, sold uh, puts for HIMS expiring that Friday, 16th of May 2025 at $48 strike price. So I get a credit of 0.50 cents. The intention here is because the premium is about 1% of $48. That's why I chose the strike price of $48 for this position to be sold. Next, for TSM, saw that TSM has been going upwards and decided to close this position. So this is just a matter of closing the position to get a debit of 1.15. And to earn back the debit, sold more puts for HIMS at $49, expiring May 16, 2025, with a credit of 0.53. Uh, the intention is still the same, more than 1% of premium gain with respective to the strike price. So Pfizer calls expiring on the June 13, 2025 at $26. Have a credit of 0.06. AMD roll it 1 week later to gain a premium of 70 cents. At this point of time, AMD is approaching 110 and going upwards to 115 and 120. So, rolling at the money, it's always getting the most premium out of this. Next, saw that HIMS is going upwards to about 65, $64. So, uh, decided to sell more puts $53 expiring May 16. So earning a credit of 0.64 or 0.60 cents. And at the same time, close my previous position that puts was sold at $48 with a debit of 0.16. So the same thing, close my puts that was sold at $49 and to stack it up to $58. So there is a premium gain of about 0.61 cents. Next, SoFi was having a positive bullish price action, so decided to roll it, roll SoFi 1 week later. In the process, gain about 0.04, 0.04 to 0.06 credit. And last but not least, Pfizer. This trade was being placed because I want to accumulate more Pfizer stocks at $23 to bring the average price down. And also monitoring the price action of Pfizer, it was a calculated bet that Pfizer will not be more than $23 at the closing bell. So sold the calls in advance, expiring next week at $23 to gain the extrinsic value over the weekend. Uh, with this, got a credit of 0.32 cents and another credit of 0.3 for this position. So I think this week, these are all the trades that are being placed. Overall, it's positive credit premiums that were gathered. So as the market is more bullish and this strategy, it's more towards a bullish market. So we just have to monitor next week how's the market is going and the price action of the stocks that I have in my watch list or in my portfolio. So I think that's all. Remember to like this video and also like this YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell. Have a great day, everyone. Yeah, signing off here.